Hello, this is Shoma Paul from Two Shoes, bringing you all a fresh new episode of Shari Golpo, and you have guessed it right. Your favorite, my favorite. Bengal, West Bengal, Tat saris, pocket-friendly Tat saris. Today, all that I will show are within rupees 2000 along with a blouse piece. So listen to the prices also carefully and see the whole program. The first Tat sari of the day, crisp Tat saris of West Bengal, Fulia. Bengali women never have enough of them, and it's caught on to the rest of India also. I love showing Tat saris of West Bengal. This is how fine the count is. This is the border. The upper and the lower borders are the same, crisp, and if you want to keep it crisp, keep on putting starch on them or they become absolutely soft. The whole sari is like this, and with this sari what I have matched is a woven blouse piece in black, which has a border in black and red and black woven buttas. Price of this whole ensemble 1975 plus shipping. Mango yellow and an orangish red, little booties or buttas in red and green. The color is a bright, ripe mango yellow. I hope you are getting to see a mango yellow color only. This is the full look, Naksha par, fine quality. All the saris are of the same kind, I mean the quality of the cotton. This has buttas inside as well as denser buttas in the outer portion. Price of this beauty along with a beautiful dual tone cotton blouse piece is only rupees 1575 plus shipping. We'll give you all plenty of choices today. Again, these saris would be very good option for Shoshti Day. This one is in a soft egg yolk yellow with orange and red in the border, fish weave in the border. Upper and the lower borders are the same. This is how the border looks. Striped pallu. Nothing much to say about these beauties. This is how the whole body is going to look. Price of this beauty with the blouse piece, again in a beautiful dual tone South cotton blouse piece. See how beautifully it goes. 1625 plus shipping. We never get tired of restocking this border, and this time we have got it in steel grey with a Ganga Jamuna border. Very smart combination. Upper border is a deeper shade of grey, the body in steel grey and the lower border in maroon. Now just see the border in from a closer distance. The quality, only stripes in the pallu, the lower border in maroon, and to go with it, this is the woven blouse piece that we have. Beautiful it would look. Crisp, smart, 1800 plus shipping, 1800 with the blouse piece. These handloom cottons of West Bengal become so soft with regular wear and are so sustainable that women of West Bengal have always worn this at home and even to work. On to the next one in a dual tone where maroon, or rather red, a maroonish red has been woven with black, warp and weft in maroon and black to give a rich tone of maroon. Simple saris, but You will be elegance personified in these. Upper and the lower borders are the same, striped pallu. This is how the whole body looks. And the price with a smart kalamkari blouse piece is only 1600 plus shipping. See how beautifully the blouse piece and the border look against each other. Take a screenshot if you are interested. Onto a beautiful dual tone. The color is exquisitely beautiful. It's magenta with a tinge of sea green in it. This is how the color looks. And hot pink border. Naksha border, upper and lower borders are the same. Hot pink. It's a very smart piece, very smart combination. And we have a beautiful textured kota blouse piece to go with the sari. Taken lots of pain. We love mixing and matching, and we have matched this with the sari. Price of this one is the dual tone magenta with the blouse piece is 1750 plus shipping. Onto another unique and offbeat combination, burgundy brown. Again, this is also a dual tone with an orangish red. The color is like this. With little booties, and the blouse piece to go with this sari is a woven blouse piece like this. This is the blouse piece. This is the sari, and the price is rupees 1800 for the sari, and the blouse shipping is additional. White sari in a light aqua green with rose pink border. Little jamdani buttas in the body, stripes in the pallu. The quality or the feel of the sari that I can show you from a distance is in this manner. With this, we have a very smart blouse piece, dress a little differently from the rest, a checkered one in light sea green and deeper shade of sea green. It's going to look really different and nice, and the price of this ensemble is only rupees 1600 plus shipping. Cool lime green with orange and red, perfect for a hot summer day, or maybe during autumn. You can wear this during the day. It's a beautiful shade of lime green, very light lime green, soothing color. This is how the border looks. Upper and the lower borders are the same. Stripes in the pallu, nothing much to say. Yes, we have a beautiful blouse piece to go with this sari as well, in a deeper shade of lime green with orange. This lime green is with yellow woven together, and this is going to be the look. Price is only 1725 plus shipping. So these were the Tat saris for the day. I hope you've liked them. These Tats in West Bengal have traditionally always come in rolls, and in the yesteryears for weddings, this was an ideal gift item. I would always love to see these saris remain in your wardrobe, in everybody's wardrobe, because this is very much a part of the heritage weaver West Bengal and pocket friendly. If you've liked today's episode, please share the episode with your friends and family. And if you want to buy any item, get in touch with me on my WhatsApp number 9830111725. Hoping to bring you all something more beautiful in the future. That's all for today. Bye bye. Take care.